we're about to be done for today, but before we get done, I just want to, ask you any questions. Any questions about what we did today? Concerns? Opinions, helpful stuff or not helpful stuff, or what what you would think, at least, what you want to work on or whatnot. So.
I feel like everything you taught me was something I could take home
and new. Yeah, some new stuff.
All new. Yeah.
Okay. Good.
The left pocket was new.
Okay.
Like you said, I'm really bad at challenging myself on the putting green. I just hit 5-footers and that's about it. So I could definitely use some of these putting drills for sure.
Yeah, definitely. And obviously, like, that's the thing. I know you like to go play. I mean, do the 3-ball speed drill for 5 minutes before you go play Wednesday night. See what happens on the course. Don't just, don't. And then the other thing I like to do is, a lot of times we didn't do it today, but another thing is when you go practice, if you're not doing a drill like that, if you're just going straight out to the course, one thing I suggest too with the putting is take one ball and putt it out. That's what you get to do on the course. So don't go grab 3 balls and hit them at the same. How many times in a round do we get to hit 3 balls at the same hole from the same distance?
You make yourself feel
Yeah. So yeah, that's the other thing I would say. But yeah, that one especially I think could be really beneficial because it's solely a speed deal, not really focusing on a target. You're just solely mechanically thinking about the speed and controlling the distance. And then as far as the chipping stuff, I know we could work on that a little bit more, but for me, that's something that I think could really, the most important benefit to that little drill is it finds a way to make sure that we're using the bounce in the chipping shot, and the more we use the bounce in the chipping shot, the more forgiving it's going to be around the greens, in my opinion. So yeah, I hope that stuff's helpful. I think the chipping stuff, like we said, is something we need to work on a little bit more. It might not be something you'll be able to take to the course right away. However, the putting stuff, I mean, I think this is a great, I hope these drills, you can use them right before you go out. I think it'd be great stuff to keep this to keep you thinking about. So yeah, next time we meet, we're gonna go. Hopefully you can get some practice on some of the short game stuff. But next time we meet, we're just going to go out on the golf course and we're going to talk a little bit about some course management stuff that I like to do out there, and hopefully that'll be helpful.
Definitely.
All right. Well, thanks again, Cal.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.